Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to remove back button on screen Samsung. So, if you have this back button or buttons on your Samsung phone screen and I want to remove them, then this is what you need to do. So if at the end of this you found this open informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to remove back button screen on Android, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on display. Under display, you want to scroll down and click on navigation bar. Under navigation bar, you have two options available, buttons and gestures. Now, to remove back button on your Samsung, just go ahead and turn on gestures. And then you are good. So whenever I want to go back your Samsung phone, you discover that the back button is no longer visible. For you to go back, just drag it like this or like this, and then you are good. So that is exactly how to remove back button on screen Samsung. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.